Let's explore PineGrow's fantastic integration for publishing directly to Netlify. We've recently supercharged this feature to make deploying your websites faster and more efficient than ever before. First, once publishing is activated for a project, you'll see this handy blue Netlify badge appear right next to the project name. You can access the publishing options in two ways, either through the main project menu, or for even quicker access, you can simply right-click on the Netlify badge itself. And here's the best part. PineGrow now uses a more advanced deployment method. Instead of uploading the entire project every time, it intelligently detects and uploads only the files that have actually changed. This makes the publishing process incredibly fast and efficient. And just like that, our site is published. Our project is now live on the web. It's worth noting that Netlify's free plan is very generous. It even supports custom domains and HTTPS for free. This makes it one of the easiest and most powerful ways to publish your static HTML projects directly from PineGrow.